Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some farmhouse style home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Farmhouse style home decor is a warm, cozy and inviting design style inspired by traditional country living. It combines rustic charm with simple, practical beauty, creating spaces that feel comfortable, lived in, and full of character. Here's a detailed breakdown for farmhouse style home decor. Key features of farmhouse style decor: natural materials: wood, stone, jute, linen, and cotton are commonly used. Reclaimed or distressed wood furniture adds a rustic charm. Natural color palette: soft whites, beige, cream, grey, and light pastels are the best. Accents of earthy tones like sage green, dusty blue, or terracotta add warmth. Vintage and rustic furniture. Pieces often look time-worn or handcrafted. Mix of antique finds and modern comforts, like a vintage table with modern chairs. Cozy textures, chunky knit throws, woven baskets, and linen curtains enhance the cozy atmosphere. Layering fabrics adds softness and depth. Farmhouse accessories: mason jars, galvanized metal buckets, wooden sinks, candles, and ceramic pictures. Floral arrangements or greenery, real or fox in simple vases. Open and airy layout. Spaces are bright and uncluttered with plenty of natural light. Open shelving in kitchens and rustic wood beams on ceilings are common. Personal touches, family photos, heirlooms, and handmade crafts make the home feel personal and welcoming. Popular variations of farmhouse style: modern farmhouse combines rustic elements with cleanliness and sleek finishes. Vintage farmhouses focuses more on antique furniture and nostalgic charm. Rustic farmhouse emphasizes rugged, raw materials and earthy tones. Country chic farmhouse mixes farmhouse charm with a touch of elegance and femininity. Use reclaimed wood. Add reclaimed wood beams, open shelves, or coffee tables. It brings warmth and authenticity to your space. Incorporate warm lighting. Use lantern-style light fixtures, Edison bulbs, or wood-iron candle layers. Choose warm white or soft yellow bulbs for a cozy glow. Add greenery. Place potted plants, herbs, or fox greenery in rustic containers. galvanized buckets, wicker baskets, or mason jars as planters. Mix old and new. Pair modern furniture with antique accessories. Example: a sleek sofa with a weathered wood coffee table. Use natural fabrics, or for linen, burlap, or cotton for curtains, pillow covers, and tablecloths. Layer natural textures for depth. Add distressed finishes. Furniture with cheap paint or a whitewashed look give character. You can even DIY the finish on cabinets or picture frames. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.